The PowerMate Safety Moving System. A great idea that will save you money, increase profit, and upgrade productivity. The PowerMate motorized electric hand truck is without question one of the most innovative products available today for the safe movement of heavy and awkward loads. For many years, PowerMate equipment has been widely used by the elevator industry worldwide, saving them literally millions of dollars. It is used by the elevator industry for moving motors, sheaves, armatures, reels of cable, controllers, test weights, toolboxes, and drums of oil. PowerMate moves these heavy loads safely to and from the elevator workrooms. Some elevator companies have told us that by using PowerMate, they have turned a 4-hour job into a 30-minute job. Others have claimed to have paid for their PowerMate equipment in just one move. PowerMate achieves this without rigging and blocking the stairs, using half the labor and in half the time. There are several steel models available for heavyweight lifting of loads that weigh up to 1,500 pounds, and aluminum models for lightweight lifting of loads weighing up to 650 pounds. This versatile equipment safely moves loads up and down stairs, on and off vehicles or loading docks, as well as across flat surfaces. This is how the incredible PowerMate equipment climbs stairs. With the load in a well-balanced position, pull the PowerMate back to the bottom step. Then press the button to open the frame to set the wheels on the second step. Then pivot on the wheels and press the button to raise the toe plate to rest on the first step. Repeat this method until the top of the stairs is reached. The bottom rubber guard protects stairs from damage and provides positive grip. To take a load down a set of stairs, you simply reverse the procedure. The PowerMate is perfectly balanced, sitting on 2 points, the wheels and the toe plate. There is no need to hurry, risking back injury, incurring compensation claims, and the resulting loss of productivity. The operator has total control of the load so that both the product being delivered and the customer's premises are protected from damage. PowerMate does 100% of the lifting so you can take your time and do the job right. The PowerMate elevator package of accessories have been specifically designed for use in the elevator industry. The PowerMate is equipped with a skid plate and extra third strap bar. The barrel attachment and extended toe plate are also included in the package. When you need to move a motor, insert horizontal support brackets and load motor. Then lay the machine down on the brackets and skid the motor up the frame to insert the load elevator attachment under the motor. This provides ease of handling with the higher center of gravity. With the LE model, changing the center of gravity is automatically achieved at the touch of a button. With the well-balanced PowerMate, you can break back the load with ease. By raising the wheels up and changing the leverage point, you can bring the load back in a balanced position over the wheels. The load can easily be moved in this balanced position with no weight for the person to carry who is moving the load. Heavy loads can be safely moved with simple fingertip operation. When moving very heavy loads, 2 experienced operators can safely handle the load from above. PowerMate cuts labor costs in half by reducing over 50% of the effort required to move heavy loads. Loads that normally require 4 men to lift are moved by 2 men, and loads that take 2 men are safely handled by 1. To put a load onto a delivery vehicle using PowerMate, pull the load backward to the back of the vehicle. Press the button to raise the wheels to rest on the truck. Then press the button that brings up the load. Now you can position the load anywhere on the vehicle. For heavy loads, lower the hook bar into the hook box, which is bolted into the bed of the vehicle. This provides for greater safety and ease of handling. For loading a van, there is a platform available which stores flush along the inside wall of the van while in transit. Most loading docks are made for tractor-trailer trucks. The PowerMate is a loading dock leveler to handle low-bed trucks. A hook box can also be installed on the loading dock to accommodate loading and unloading of very heavy items. The PowerMate is powered by a 12-volt rechargeable battery, which can be deep-cycled 250 times providing many years of use. Two swivel casters are located inside the frame of the steel models. When the dolly assembly is connected to the hook bar, the PowerMate becomes a four-wheel dolly for effortless moving of loads over longer distances. If a doorway has a threshold, raise the wheels up over the threshold. Pivot on the wheels, then close the frame, which then brings the toe plate over. Mechanical rooms that have a containment lip at the bottom of the doorway can be entered the same way, but if they are too high, put a pallet on either side to act as a step. If the ground is uneven, lower the handles of the PowerMate right down so you can power the toe plate over the terrain. You can travel over mud, snow, or gravel this way. When crossing carpet, do the procedure several times to prevent pushing the carpet into a bulge. Another feature exclusive to PowerMate equipment is the ability to maneuver loads around landings. Because the center of gravity can be raised, the balance point is just off the vertical position, allowing for the safe handling of heavy loads in narrow areas. With a PowerMate purchase, operator training is provided by our factory-authorized training personnel so that the PowerMate equipment operators are competent in its use and moving their loads. The operators are then issued training certification cards upon completion of their training. Additional trainings and Train the Trainer courses are offered at the PowerMate Training Center. A customer service representative is available by calling our toll-free number to provide any additional assistance as needed. This one piece of safety equipment is actually 4 machines in one. A power stair climber, a power tailgate lift, a loading dock leveler, a 4-wheel dolly. Even if you only require the versatile PowerMate for one of these 4 uses, you will save money. You will find that moving your loads will be safer and easier. You will want to use the PowerMate to do all your heavy lifting work. Inquire now to start enjoying the many benefits of having a PowerMate. PowerMate motorized electric hand trucks are manufactured and distributed by LP International Incorporated.